Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to Sit on My Bits. Hope you all had a good weekend. It's a new week, time to make some money. New software that I said about isn't out yet. Like I said, don't hold your breath. But when it does come out, hopefully all the glitches, any sort of teething problems will be ironed out. Yeah, nothing worse than a new software and you get it and there's little problems because it's new. So hopefully, I'd rather wait and then get something that's going to work smoothly and you can make some money with. Just looking at whoops, let's just put this up to $500. Expert option. I'm just looking at the euro against the pound. You can see there's an overall direction from this high point. Even though it's been up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, the overall direction there, it's on its way down. So just placing some whites on these high points, just placing some put trades. A couple more in whites. Actual fact, I'm going to up that. You see, it's itching to get down. But yeah, anyone that follows my channel will know that I either look for a pattern. So say you can see it, and it comes down to a certain point, then goes back up, then comes back down to another point, which is similar to either a little bit higher or a little bit lower than the last low point. Then you know it's going to go back up. And then when it goes up again, you know it's then going to come back down. So either look at a this is a bit close, this one. Either look at the pattern or, like I'm doing here, the overall direction. So even though there's high points and low points, the overall direction is on its way down. So there we go, bit of extra profit there, lovely jubbly. People probably think I'm being a bit blasé putting in these high trades, but this is all profit. I've been using expert option for years. I've never had any problems with it. I'm getting a lot of people asking me about it now. A lot of people seem to have gone off IQ option and a couple of the other platforms. So I'm getting a lot of people asking me about expert option. But yeah, I've had no problems with it. Withdrawals and everything go through fine. It's nice and simple to use. You can see all the other traders here. You can turn that off if you want. But I find with me it sort of spurs me on a bit. But yeah, what I've done now, I've just looked at an overall direction. So if you zoom out and you can see from this high point, it's come up here for this high point and then it's come back down. So you can see there's a pattern. It's hit a low, it's come back up, it's hit a low, come back up, hit a low, come back up. But the overall direction is going down, and now it's taken a turn from the low point back up, and it's on its way back up. So let's take advantage of that. Let's get a couple in here. Now, I wouldn't advise trading like this if you're new. A couple more whites on that low point. I wouldn't advise trading like this if you're new to it. I would always start off low like I do. If it's a new platform, start off low until you've got enough profit to start off at $25 till you've got enough profit to go to $50, and then go on until you can just bosh out $500 trades when you've got a shitload of profit from it. So let's see what's happening here. Come on, come on. Come on. Get in there, you fucking beauty. You beauty. Look at that profit. So basically what I've done there, I've seen that it's going down, okay? I've seen that it's going down. I've placed some, waited for it to, I've seen that the overall direction is on its way down, okay? So let's just go back. I've seen the overall direction from here. It's on its way down. So you put a line from there to there. It's on its way down. Okay. It's then I've placed some trades, put trades. I've then seen that it's taken the change and it's on its way back up. That's the tricky bit, is knowing when it's going to take that point. Luckily, I was talking and I could see it wasn't just a spike; it carried on going up. So I placed some call trades and they've come in. So basically, that's what I do. Look for a direction, even look for an overall direction like that. You can see. I mean, anyone that's subscribed to me probably gets sick of me keep saying this, but it's only because people keep asking me. So an overall direction going down. You know it's going down, even though it's zigzagging, and you can catch a cold. You know, you can catch a cold. Like say here, it's taken that drop, then it's come back up. So if you've been unlucky enough to place a trade here, then you know you could come unstuck. But that's the name of the game. You're always going to lose trades. It's just trying to get it right, and overall coming out on top. So yeah, the overall direction, you can see it's going down. So I placed some trades while it was going down, and then fortunately for me, whilst I was gassing away like I like to do, I could see it's taken a change and it's on its way back up. So I placed some put trades and they've come in, and now I'm almost 25 grand in profit. So just in those few minutes, well, no, not totally, because I already had however much I had in there, but a lot more profit just in a few minutes. Now I tend to do less time with big trades rather than sit there all day doing smaller trades. But I mean, everyone's different. But yeah, I like it. Expert option, I like it a lot. It's easy to use. It's simple to use, and it's, for me, using my strategy. It's not investment advice. It might not work for everyone, but it works for me. So if it works for other people, then yeah, you can see the direction's changed again now, and it's on its way back down. It works for me, but I say it's not investment advice. And I know people say, "Oh, he's going in at $500 trades." That's a bit unrealistic, but I started off low. I started off at $10 or whatever it was. Started off with a demo account. That's another thing, is a demo account you can play around with, get comfortable with. I started off with a demo, got comfortable with that, and then I started off low, built it up, and then now I can afford to just do big trades. And touch wood, it works for me. But yeah, check it out for yourself. Expert, it's been around for years. Withdrawals go through quickly. Don't have any problems with it. If you need to get hold of the people, you can. Yeah, I like it. There's all sorts of things. It's social. You don't have to. It's not just currency pairings. You can trade on all sorts of things. There you can see it's changed now. It's on its way back down. But yeah, check it out for yourself. Expert option, link below the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. Don't forget to subscribe as well if you're not subscribed. And look, it's taken that massive dip and now it's come back up. But yeah, just look, strategies, how I do it. Either look for a pattern. When you look at it, you can see a similar pattern like here. High point, low point. High point, low point, high point, low point, high point, low point. So you know there's that pattern emerging, so you can follow that pattern. The only thing you have to be careful is when that pattern then changes. So then it's changed here. It's still going low to about there, and then it's changed direction. It started going back up. But if you catch it right, you can double up like I did there. So now I have got 24 grand profit. I mean, that's not my total profit. I've had a lot of money out of this. Obviously, with regular withdrawals and everything else, I'll probably put a withdrawal through for maybe 15 grand, 20 grand, probably 15 grand, and then leave a bit in there to trade with. But yeah, that's just how I do it. Might not work for everyone, but I say check it out for yourself, and I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. As soon as I hear anything about this new software, I shall let you know. Yeah, and I say expert option, link below the video. Check it out for yourself. Have a go at a demo, get used to it. And yeah, I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. So yeah.